Sure. Okay, okay. Oh, yeah, now men are John hug now. Like, nice. Ah, why they right? Ah. This is your boy Dorothy Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Type Dorothy Awilo. Like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always is successful. This week, I have a lot of calls from different men, different girls. Have been calling me. I just decided to choose two of them. One girl, one man. Like today, I'll make an appointment for them. Like they want to see themselves, if they can fall in love, or if you're not going to work. But I pray may them fall in love so that they can give me jollof rice. I can eat. Viewers, let's go. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, bro.
Can I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Shadrach.
Shadra.
Yeah.
What is your sped?
My experience that I need a girl, you
What
know.
type of girl you love?
I love the girl what she not tall and she yellow, she get breast, she get yash. And the type of girl I like with that.
And the type of girl you like with that?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Beautiful angel. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Are they fine?
Can I know your name?
My name is Ruth.
Ru. What is your spec? Which type of man you like?
Mm, Anyways, I'm not too selective, but I like somebody that is down to earth, hardworking, has the fear of God. Because if you have the fear of God, you will not have the heart to hurt me. So,
Okay,
and it's also hardworking.
hardworking.
We know how to make money.
Okay. See, viewers, I don't hear everything two of them talk a bit. Okay. Before I count one to three, two of you will turn to see each other. Let's go. One, mm, two, three. Wow. Wow. When I come close. When I come close. Wow.
Hi.
Ah, this side is fine. I know
How are
the
you?
wait.
I'm okay.
Okay, how
You
you there?
wait now, you dey
You
rush.
are
You like
looking
this
fine.
wait now, you dey rush. You like this girl?
I
Why
like
they
her, I
smile
like
like
her,
that
I
now? You
like
like
her
her?
because she's so fine.
She is
She's
so
so fine.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to rate this girl 1 to 10, how many number you will give her?
Like I will just give her the let's say example like as I see the girl I just
You
feel
don't fall in
happy.
love, you don't know what to do again.
Yeah.
You
I
can see
just
like
feel
this guy,
happy.
this love don't blind this this man. Like this man don't fall in love, you don't even know what to do. So you really love this. Okay,
Yeah. I
see,
love her
please
so
turn
much.
around.
Wow, she's looking good.
Ah!
It's exactly the girl
Oh, hold on, wait,
that
wait,
I
wait. Is
like.
exactly wait,
Yeah.
wait. This why you don't feel excited to see the girl if you know can't like him. Okay, you see this man.
I see him.
You like her?
He's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's
It's like
fine.
this. You want to walk. If you want to rate this man 1 to 10, how much you will give him?
Like I said, I'm not too selective as far as my hope is. He has fear of God, he's hardworking. It's okay.
So you like this man? If
Yes.
this man say you want to marry you now, you go.
It depends.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything you want to know about her?
I need to know her small so
Or you
that
want to know her small so that you go know how the thing will work?
yes.
Okay. Which question do you like to answer?
And I just want to ask her either way she dey live so I can go there and meet her. We go discuss well.
Oh, this guy they rush you.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you from? You want to know some details about you.
Mm, Actually, I don't really live very far. I live around, so
Which state you from?
yeah, from Akwa Ibom State,
Akwa Ibom
Nigeria.
State. Okay. Is there anything you want to know from him? Is there any
What?
question you want to ask?
Yes. I
Okay.
had like 2 or 3 questions.
Okay. What's the
You
first
have your
question?
own. You work.
Yeah. You can ask anything you want to ask.
Okay. You have your own place.
Yeah. I have it. I'm from Adamawa State.
You have your own place from that. You
Yeah,
live
yeah,
in
yeah.
Lagos.
Yeah. I'm living in Lagos.
This man will say, yeah. You live in Lagos. Yeah. You live in Lagos. Like you cannot wait to have this man.
You are
No,
very hardworking,
I
and
love
you know how to
I
make
love her so
money.
much.
you love her so much.
I dey tell you.
Oh, my love go keep us, you know.
As I just saw her, I just fall in love.
You don't fall in love
I
as
dey
you
tell you,
see
I
her.
dey tell you.
Okay, nice one. So anything, everything with this man talk, you like her.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's
At
okay.
least we'll start from somewhere.
You start from somewhere. That's nice. Good. Anything with this lady talk, you like her.
Yeah.
You like him?
Yeah, I appreciate for that.
Yeah, okay, you like and you appreciate for
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Okay, now I feel I change the number.
Why
Like
not somebody that you want to start
you want to start? Okay, now
dating
I feel I change
to?
the number.
yeah,
Let me see love. This kind of love thing dey exist. I can't believe this. Hey, see love, oh, where go be my turn, oh. See love, see love, see love.
yeah. I'll
Okay,
give
that
you a
fish
number.
show some sign of romantic. Hey,
At least we're both matured.
but sure, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
this is
Oh
the
yeah, now
right
men are
word
just
now.
hug now, like
Okay.
nice. Ah, why they rush? Nice one, nice one, nice one. Missy Rose, that's so nice. I'm so happy for this blind date. I'm so happy you guys fall in love. I'm so happy. Okay, now anyhow you want go, you guys should keep me in touch. So the tradition, the wedding, I can be able to come and chop jollof
Small,
rice.
small now.
Abi,
We are just
nice
starting.
one. Yeah, when I want a hand now.
Okay, now.
Okay, now I can single out continue. When I go like this. When
Okay,
I
now.
okay now, when I still remember to call me oh. People don't fall in love first time. First time. If you be my fans, you know say the blind dates wey I do, the wound see the injury still dey my hand here. But thank God, this world, the two of them are fall in love. Keep watching. No matter anyhow the thing go, we will try to make you guys see what's going on between these two so that you don't fall in love together.